Okay, we're still trying to do stuff at Cortez. There's the bonuses. This is a 4-board of, well, there's 3 favorite games. Well, 2 of them. Pick your game. Which game are you picking?
Timberwolf, I think.
He's looking for the Timberwolf. I did this and got absolutely skunked. Use your pick. Whatever. You're lucky tonight. $40 in. Timberwolf's up. There's 4 boards. And it's on. There's some kind of shaking thing.
How much coins are there?
There's coins everywhere up there. These Dodgers squatting in or whatever. Try the 200 button and don't hit the $400. This looks a lot like me playing now with dead spins everywhere. Yep, this looks just like me playing. Bonus. You need 3 owls or a moon with an owl. Yeah, this is a hard-ass game to win. You should have went and played those lightning links everyone's winning on. Oh, money went up in there. Nothing happened. This is a tough-ass game to win on. Oh, we have a bonus. Have another drink. Turn the volume up so everyone at home can hear it. To the left. Left side. There we go. There's some big ass wheel here. Holy shit, this could be another hand pay. All right. There's a whole bunch of boards going here. Shit happening 5 times. I think all it takes is 110 times could do this. I don't see any multipliers. There seems to be a problem here. Where the hell's the multipliers? There's a 10 over there. Did it hit? No. Holy shit. There's a 5. And we have a 10 on the right. No contact on the 10 though. Respin to make contact. No contact made. Shitty. Oh, there's a 10 with queens. And then there's an abandoned 10 on the bottom right, bottom left. We got a respin coming up here. A retirement respin. Jacks. Shitty jacks. 10 times jacks pays nothing. Legends. We really need a multiplier here. Where's the, we need like the 5 and the 10 together. That's the optimal layout. And 10 up there with a blank. That's bullshit. Hit something, you cheap ass game. Oh. 4 games left to make $1,000. Come on. Dogs with no multiplier. That's not an artificial intelligence chance. Multipliers. There's a, oh, there's the 5 and the 10. Did it hit? We got houses. I'm not sure did that. Oh, there's money flying all over. Holy shit. That's 50 times something. Let's hope it's more than a quarter. Not much more than a quarter. Cheap ass. Oh, paid 10 cents. Why did you bother even paying? Oh, missed the bears. That's a jackass move. Where is it? Re-trigger. We got a 10 here respinning. Wolves! Wow. Considering that was a 5 and a 10 times there, that was pretty shitty. Maybe you might want to walk away with your money. That's a carton of smokes, isn't it? Or half a carton?
Should I try the lion?
No, apparently that's not good enough. Switch to buffalo, maybe? Maybe try buffalo. Game menu. We're crossing over. We're going to buffaloes. Or lions, maybe. We're going to lions because the lion is worth $1,000. Okay, you need, I can't remember what, 3 roses is what we need. Lions pay a lot, roses pay better. Oh.
Oh, look at them. I think we need to go back.
Go to buffaloes. Maybe switch, I'd switch to buffaloes. Head to buffaloes, this is shitty. Go to buffaloes. We're being stubborn and not going to buffaloes. So we're not going to go to buffaloes. Coors Light, please.
And I'll have the Michelob.
With a piece of lime. Thank you. Time to go to buffaloes. Looking for $2 here for tips. It's important you can tip the waitress, or she won't talk to you anymore. Well, I almost got her bet back. First time in history. Oh. I think it's time to go to buffaloes. To buffaloes. Timberwolves didn't pay. Lions paid worse.
But maybe we should go back to Timberwolf because
No, we're going back to Timberwolf apparently. Because the buffaloes just aren't enough.
look at how many coins there are.
Yeah, there's coins everywhere that the dogs could do stuff in. Oh, this house is paid.
Come on.
This certainly wouldn't be a video for ADAC or any anti-gambling cause. Nope, coins going up and
I want to trigger the major.
yep, I'm sure that's how it works, but it ain't happening. Oh, we got dogs. More coins with no action. The dogs are swimming in coins but not doing anything.
Come on. Owls. Come on. Owls.
No coins going up and
That's a lot of coins.
why is it paying so much for 3 dogs? Oh, 'cause you got a bunch of kinks. Oh, that makes sense. At $20, I think we should stop, leave, and go to a new casino with bigger jackpots.
Come on.
Man,
Trigger.
these coins,
Look at all those coins.
they keep going up but not into Twyla's pocket.
Come on. Do it. Trigger. What do they do? They fall?
I don't know, but the dogs are going to drown pretty soon in coins. I think at $20 we move on. It's slowing down.
Come on.
Shit. A dead spin on 4 boards.
Come on.
That is terrible. Is it time to leave?
No.
Apparently not. Houses again, 5 of them. Oh, no. Thank you.
Thank you.
You have to take your lime out of your last beer and put it in your new one.
Come on. Trigger. Come on.
Do something, pay something.
Come on, dude.
These are pretty tight slots. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Come on.
Deers. Kings and deers. Nines.
Come on.
That's terrible. Two sets of dudes. Shit. I think that's it. We're done. Nothing on this one.